Welcome back to the channel. This week, we're reviewing this 2025 Kia K4. Now, if you keep up with the brand, you probably noticed the looks have gotten a lot more sleek and the design has been really refreshed. This K4 actually replaces that Kia Forte. That was a vehicle that did pretty well in this market, but it needed a refresh. This is the compact sedan from this On the Rise brand. Now, this K4 reminds me a lot of the K5 with its design language, and I think that's by design for the brand. If you're wondering what it compares to, think Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla. But when we get inside and look at all the creature comforts and near luxury features in here, I think the Civic and the Corolla have a little work to do if they want to catch up to discerning taste of these K4 buyers. We have things like heated and ventilated seats. We have radar dynamic cruise control and leather interior. But those other cars have a legacy. Does this K4 strip them of that? And is it one that you should choose when you're looking for your compact sedan under $30,000? That's right. These come in the low 20s. Now, the one we have is fully dressed up and it's about $31,000. But we'll unpack whether this is worth the $31,000 price tag and how it compares to the competition at Toyota and Honda. Well, let's not waste any more time out here. Let's take it for a spin. The K4 GT line makes a strong first impression. This fastback style roofline, the wide stance, and the sculpted body panels give it presence. It looks like it's moving when it's sitting still. It's not just another small sedan. It looks confident. This glossy black accent, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and this lighting element on the GT line add character. Kia wanted this car to look sophisticated yet sporty. And if you ask me, I think they nailed it. Now, under the hood, we got a 1.6-liter turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder engine paired with the 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, this is an upgrade for this GT line. It produces smooth and responsive power without sacrificing too much efficiency. The fuel economy comes in about 26 miles per gallon in the city and 39 on the highway, which is impressive considering its performance levels, and there's no electrification here. That 8-speed automatic gearbox gives this car a more refined drive than many of its competitors, especially the Corolla and the Civic. Once we step inside, that's where this K4 really separates itself from the competition. The GT line interior feels, dare I say, upscale. This faux leather, or Syntex as Kia calls it, is soft to the touch, supportive, and it looks like real leather. The power adjustable driver's seat, that's something you rarely find at this price point. And then there are the features. That's where Kia goes from practical to almost premium. This car includes ventilated front seats, memory seats, and mirrors. There's even a digital key on your smartphone that lets you leave that key fob behind. Tech is another strong point for this K4. A pair of 12.3-inch displays stretch across the dashboard, one for the gauges and one for infotainment. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the best part is they're quick and easy to set up. Safety features are impressive. Kia includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, driver attention warning, and safe exit warning for our parents, all as standard. It's a complete suite that gives you peace of mind without adding extra cost. On the road, the K4 GT lines feel a little more composed. The ride is pretty smooth over rough pavement, and the cabin is relatively quiet for a vehicle in this class. The steering is fairly responsive, and the car feels pretty balanced. It's easy to maneuver in traffic, yet it's stable and confident on the open road. Pricing starts in the low 20s, and this GT line with the premium option comes in at $31,455. Add in Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, plus a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty with roadside assistance, and long-term value is undeniable. When you consider everything you get, it makes you wonder why anyone would pay luxury brand prices for the same experience. This 2025 Kia K4 GT line is stylish, comfortable, and packed with features that used to only belong on premium sedans. If you're not stuck on labels, this car could easily satisfy your need for nearly half the money. I'm Daryl Killian, the AutoNsider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for reviews every week.